guys, this is Shri Study Circle, and today we are going with electronic spreadsheet chapter number 2nd of class 10th IT 402, and this is the first topic of this chapter, that is consolidation of data. So let's start consolidation of data. तो consolidation of data होता क्या है? Actually, consolidation is the process of combining data from within the same or different spreadsheet or sheets. It can be used to create a report that consolidate and summarize the data from different source sheet into one sheet by applying some functions, and that functions can be sum or average etc. So let's start. तो इसके लिए हमने क्या किया है, मैंने यहाँ पे शीट 1 पे कुछ डेटा टाइप किया है जो कि है एक जनवरी रिपोर्ट, सम ब्रांच नेम एंड द एक्सपेंडिचर एंड सेल्स ऑफ दैट. Then the same format I have written here, but you can notice that on sheet number 2 one entry is extra. This is not on sheet number 2, sorry, sheet number 1. So this entry is on sheet number 2. Now I want to use this sheet number 3 as a destination, as a report. Okay, so here I want to print the consolidation of data. So what I'll do for that, we need to select the thing where you want to print your result. Okay, then click on this data tab from the menu bar. Then you will get option for consolidate. So click on that consolidate option. As I'm clicking on the consolidate option, I'm getting this type of interface. This is the consolidate dialog box. So the first option is of function. If I click on this drop down arrow, we can see the list of some functions where we can use sum, count, average, max, mean, product. Means many functions we can use here while doing the consolidation of data. And this is the consolidate ranges. Here we want source data which we are going to use for consolidation. Okay, and next one is source data range. Here we need to select the data range as a source from different sheets, and then this is the copy result too. So in this field we need to provide the cell address of result or destination cell, we can say. So let's start. So we can say this is our destination. Sheet number 3 is our destination, and sheet number 1 and sheet number 2 will be our source data, where we have already written some data, and that data we are going to consolidate on sheet number 3. So start from here, source data range. So this is one shrink button. We need to click on this button. As I click on the shrink button, I need to move here on sheet number 1. नाउ आपको ये सारा डेटा सेलेक्ट करना है जितना हमें चाहिए. ओके, अगेन क्लिक ऑन दिस श्रिंक. नाउ यू कैन सी we are getting the cell address of sheet 1 and the selected area, selected data ranges. Okay, now I want to add this data range here in consolidate ranges. So for that we need to click on this add button. As I click, you can see it is added here. Okay, now the next data source is sheet number 2. So again I need to click on this shrink button. As I'm clicking, I need to go on sheet number 2. Then again we need to select the data which we are going to consolidate. Now again the shrink button. Now you can see we are getting here cell address of sheet number 2 where we have selected that data range. Then again click on this add button. So here we have successfully added the consolidation ranges from sheet number 1 and from sheet number 2. Now I want to print the result. Print the result by using some functions on sheet number 3. So now I am on sheet number 3. Now here you can see copy result 2. So here I need to provide the cell address of destination cell where I want to print the result of consolidation ranges. So this is the thing. So here we need to give a cell address of top left cell. From this cell our consolidation report will print. Okay, so as I have selected this cell, so you can see here A8 is selected on sheet number 3. So then simply here you are getting one button that is more. If I click on that, you can see consolidate by row label and column label. So we need to check this, both the boxes. So what is this row label and what is this column label? You can see रो लेबल मीन्स यहाँ पे मैंने जो ब्रांच के नेम लिखे, मेरठ, पुणे, अमरावती, नागपुर, मुंबई एंड परतवाड़ा, दीज आर द लेबल फॉर दिस रो, and these are the column expenditure and sale, these are the column labels. Okay, and one more option is there, that is linked to source data. If I check this box, so what will happen? See, अगर मैंने शीट 1 और शीट 1 या फिर शीट 2 में कुछ चेंजेस किए, तो एज इट इज वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएंगे शीट 3 में. If I check this box, so how that we will see afterward in this video. Okay, so we have successfully added all the things in this dialog box. Now we need to click on this OK button. As I click on this OK button, you can see all those things we are getting: branch, expenditure and sale. These are the column labels because we have select the column label, and then we are getting Meerut, Pune, Amravati, Nagpur, Mumbai and Paratwada. Why? Because we have selected checkbox for row label. That's why we are getting all these things. Now see here, sheet number 1 पे मेरठ का एक्सपेंडिचर है 10,000 और शीट नंबर 2 पे मेरठ का एक्सपेंडिचर है अगेन 10,000. सो 10,000 प्लस 10,000 वी शुड गेट हियर 20,000. सो वी आर गेटिंग मेरठ एक्सपेंडिचर इज 20,000. अब देखते हैं शीट 1 पे परतवाड़ा ये एंट्री नहीं है. ओके, शीट 2 पे परतवाड़ा एंट्री लास्ट में है. सो एज इट इज वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी यहाँ पे. ओके, नाउ सी, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि एक लिंक वाला ऑप्शन था. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं कुछ चेंज करती हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं यहाँ पे 5,000 लिखती हूँ एक्सपेंडिचर फॉर मेरिट, एंड ऑन शीट नंबर 3 I am writing 7,000. So 5,000 plus 7,000 I should want on sheet number 3 12,000. So you can see here this is 12,000 expenditure. So I hope you got all the things and you understand the consolidation of data. तो फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में with the new topic. तब तक के लिए enjoy your learning. Bye bye.